Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops. First, familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls for movement, aiming, and firing your weapon. You'll use the left stick to move and the right stick to look around. Next, select a game mode such as Team Deathmatch or Domination to jump into the action. Choose a pre-made class, or customize your own loadout with your preferred primary and secondary weapons, plus 2 attachments. Understanding your objective is key to success, whether it's eliminating enemies or capturing points. Now, let's dive into core gameplay mechanics. Always use cover to protect yourself from incoming fire and to safely reload your weapon. Aiming down your sights significantly improves accuracy, which is crucial for hitting targets at a distance. Keep a close eye on your minimap. It provides vital information about enemy positions and your teammates' movements. Remember to deploy your tactical equipment, like flashbangs, and lethal equipment, such as grenades, to gain an advantage over opponents. These tools can turn the tide of a firefight. Moving on to effective multiplayer strategies, communication is paramount. Use voice chat or quick pings to coordinate with your team, sharing enemy locations or objective pushes. Instead of always rushing head-on, try flanking maneuvers to surprise opponents from the side or behind. Familiarize yourself with each map's layout. Knowing common pathways and power positions gives you a significant edge. Finally, be flexible and adapt your playstyle. If the enemy is aggressive, play defensively. If they're camping, push them out with grenades or coordinated attacks. For advanced play and progression, focus on completing in-game challenges. These grant substantial experience points, helping you level up and unlock new weapons, attachments, and perks. Don't be afraid to experiment with various weapon classes and attachments to discover what suits your playstyle best. Mastering kill streaks, like the 3-kill UAV or the 7-kill attack helicopter, can significantly impact a match. Understand when and where to deploy them for maximum effect. Consistent practice is key to improving your aim, reaction time, and overall map awareness, making you a formidable player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.